How does a trust challenge differ for jointly created trusts? Have you ever wondered how a trust challenge works when it involves more than one person? Trust challenges can get complicated, especially with jointly created trusts. Let's break it down together. A trust is a legal setup where a grantor transfers assets to a trustee for the benefit of beneficiaries. When two or more individuals create a trust together, like spouses or partners, it's called a jointly created trust. This setup introduces unique legal factors that can affect how challenges to the trust are handled. One key difference is that courts must look at the mental capacity and intent of each grantor separately. If someone challenges the trust, they might argue that one grantor lacked the mental capacity to create the trust or was influenced improperly by the other grantor. This can lead to disputes, especially if one grantor passes away or if the trust terms change after one of them dies. Another important aspect is the survivorship rights that often come with jointly created trusts. These rights mean that the surviving grantor may have control over the trust, which can lead to challenges. For instance, if someone claims that the right of survivorship was established through undue influence or fraud, this can complicate matters. Evidence also plays a critical role in these challenges. Since there are multiple parties involved, the evidence must show the interactions and agreements between the grantors. This includes communications, medical records, and financial documents. If there are allegations of undue influence, detailed proof is necessary to support these claims. Additionally, jointly created trusts may have other estate planning documents, like wills, that conflict with the trust terms. Courts will examine when these documents were created and their validity to determine which one takes precedence. Challenges to jointly created trusts often involve more parties, which adds to the complexity. Multiple beneficiaries, trustees, and sometimes the surviving grantor may be involved. Each party's legal standing must be established, complicating the litigation process. When advising clients on jointly created trusts, it is essential to document each grantor's intent and mental capacity at the time of creation. Estate planning should anticipate potential conflicts by ensuring that trust provisions align with other documents and clearly address survivorship rights. In trust challenges, gathering comprehensive evidence about each grantor's mental state and intentions is vital. Courts may be more cautious in invalidating jointly created trusts due to the complexity and involvement of multiple parties. Strong proof of wrongdoing or incapacity is often required. In summary, trust challenges for jointly created trusts involve additional layers of complexity related to multiple grantors, intentions, survivorship rights, and potential conflicts between documents. Understanding these factors is essential for navigating the legal landscape effectively.